Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the TikTok Studio app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. TikTok Studio is TikTok's official editing and content management tool, designed to help creators produce, refine, and publish videos more efficiently. It brings together editing, analytics, and performance tracking into one app, making it easier for creators to manage their TikTok presence without relying on multiple third-party tools. In actual use, TikTok Studio offers a wide range of editing features. Creators can trim clips, adjust audio, add captions, and apply TikTok's built-in effects. The app also supports AI-powered tools like auto captions and smart editing suggestions that save time during content creation. For those who want consistency, template-based editing helps maintain a recognizable style across multiple posts. One of the biggest strengths of TikTok Studio is its integration with analytics. Creators can view video performance, audience demographics, and engagement data directly within the app. This helps in making informed decisions about what type of content to create and when to post for maximum visibility. The ability to manage drafts and schedule uploads also adds flexibility for creators balancing multiple projects. On the positive side, TikTok Studio centralizes the creative process. Instead of editing videos in a separate app and then importing them, users can edit, publish, and track performance all in one place. This saves time and reduces workflow friction. Still, there are downsides. Some users feel the editing tools, while convenient, are not as advanced as those found in dedicated video editors like CapCut or Video Leap. The app is also heavily tied to TikTok, meaning it doesn't work well for creators who want to repurpose content across other platforms. In addition, certain advanced features may still feel limited compared to professional software. In summary, TikTok Studio is worth using if you're a dedicated TikTok creator who wants an all-in-one tool for editing, publishing, and tracking performance. However, if you need advanced editing options or plan to distribute content across multiple platforms, you may still need additional tools. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.